So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to Gigabyte official website to come this www.gigabyte.com, and then right hand side the search button, just click and then enter your model number of your motherboard. Okay, B760M CV3, and then hit enter. Then click on product. Then click on the title of the motherboard name. Then click to support. This is your motherboard. Then select your operating system, Windows 10 11. Okay, so if you are using suppose Windows 10, so you can watch this video and install, because installation process is WLAN means Wi-Fi extract, and this is C, this is Wi-Fi driver, and click to download. Do as it is said. Download it, just open Wi-Fi driver, double click. Then click yes. Then it is done and closed.